Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring Peppa Pig and Suzy Sheep skating disco. Let's start drawing. First I draw Peppa Pig starting with her eyes. Then I draw her nose. I continue with a bow on her head. I draw her face, then draw her smiling mouth and her cheek. Draw her two ears like this. Now I draw her body, her arm, her tail, and draw her legs like this. Then I draw Star's pattern on her dress. Next to Peppa Pig, I draw Suzy Sheep, starting with her eyes. Then I draw her face and draw a flower on her head. I draw her smiling mouth and her cheeks. Draw her two ears. Then I draw her body. I draw two arms, her tail, and I draw her two legs like this. Then I draw a heart-shaped pattern on her dress. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I use red to paint Peppa's dress. I color Peppa's skating shoes pink and yellow. Red, green, yellow, pink. Then I colored Suzy's cheeks like this. I color her dress with light purple, light green, yellow, purple, green, and blue. Then I color this part pink. Gray. I use yellow and sky blue to paint Suzy's skating shoes. Then I use this light pink color to paint Peppa's skin. Finally, I color Peppa's mouth and cheek like this. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!